How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to another Solana update. Now, last week was very exciting because I was able to identify this bullish pattern down over here, breaking out, giving the expected target slightly above $200, and then also making you all aware that this would actually signify a trend change because this is our first higher high through this over here. So off of this low, we've now got a higher low and a higher high, completely changing the structure of lower lows and lower highs. So this is very significant because not only are we making a higher high, it's also breaking out of a previous range. You can see in the past, it was trying to get to $300, but kept failing because of this $200 resistance, psychological level. It kept on coming down into this key level support. And when it got rejected here at first, look where it pivoted off of. This key area of support was used to break through that area of resistance and bring a new all-time high. So the expectation remains the same this time round, or over here to the right. We've now broken into a new range. This now acts as support, $180. So that's what I want to see over this week with Solana now coming back down a little bit. I think that is just actually retesting the neckline for continuation higher. Of course, if we see it losing the neckline, that is a different case. That means it's actually invalidating the higher level of resistance. So at the moment, we're looking for continuation high into there, but by losing this key area, we put a pause on that. I still expect it to hold this, so eventually reverse and continue higher, but it would at least put a pause on it. And then, yeah, it's just going to be boring again because, of course, everyone just wants it to continue higher. If you want to see that be the case, 180 needs to hold, and 230 to 260 remains the next target. By breaking through that area, we project $400 to $600 per Solana token. Just at the moment, the bears are playing a little bit, coming to test whether this breakout is true. We don't want to see a fake out, and that's why we put a pause to this target. We want this breakout to be confirmed. So you could argue it's just setting up continuation higher just by confirming this, retesting this area, now a support in order to continue back to the range high like you previously have seen to the left over here. Like, subscribe, comment and share. Please take action. Links down below if you want to book in a one-to-one call, half an hour to a few hours, however long you want. I've got an ebook for those that don't have as much time. If you do want to be part of a community, I have a Discord, links down below to join that. I'm not only sharing more analysis of my own and my personal thoughts, there are other analysts in there doing the same also.